Bro, come on, bro. Come on, bro. We are already starting, bro.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has
I just got home from the sleepover.
Northwestern Sampson County, southeastern Harnett County, northeastern Cumberland County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dunn, or 13 miles southeast of Lillington, when damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dunn, Godwin, Irwin, Falcon, and Stupy's Corner.
Stupy's Corner.
This includes Interstate 95 between mile markers 75 and 65. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina,
Seriously?
Cumberland, Harnett, and Sampson.
That little blob. Oh, what? You're gonna warn us next?
This is NOAA weather.
Come on, Raleigh. What the fuck?
WMG 706, operating on frequency 162.45 megahertz. This program originates.
Bro, I just got home from a 2-day sleepover, bro. And we already starting up.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sampson County, east central Harnett County, south central Johnston County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dunn, or 16 miles southeast of Lillington, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicates
10 miles, but yeah, we're definitely getting flooded.
damaged roofs, siding, and
I mean, we already have a fucking flood advisory.
Dunn and Stupy's Corner. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 331 and 341. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Harnett, Johnston, and Sampson.
Oh my god.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Wayne County, northwestern Sampson County, eastern Harnett County, northeastern Cumberland County, southwestern Johnston County until 6:45 p.m. At 6 p.m., a cluster of thunderstorms, one of which was located near Lillington, are being tracked and are moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts.
Get a load of this guy.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
What the fuck?
Locations impacted include Lillington, Dunn, Angier, Benson, Godwin, Irwin, Coates, Newton Road, Wade,
What
and
the
Falkenberg.
fuck?
This includes the following highways: Interstate 95 between mile markers 81 and 61.
Okay, where the fuck are these
Interstate
storms
40
moving?
between mile markers
2 of them are
322
moving
and
southeast.
348.
One's moving
For your
north.
protection,
That one's
move to an
moving
interior
fucking
room on the
west.
lowest floor of a building.
Like,
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Cumberland, Harnett, Johnston, Sampson, and Wayne.
bro. Oh yeah, by the way, whoever is watching this, a new radio's coming. Hopefully by Thursday, is what it said. It's a WR30. It's a WR30. Pretty rare. It's a shit. So, if my hypothesis is correct, there's another outlet back there. Or what I'll do is just, are you fucking kidding me? Oh, flood advisory. So what I'll do is just like take a radio from here Probably like a recom or maybe a 120. And just took it over there where there's an extra outlet right there. So yeah, new radio coming. Raleigh, are you fucking kidding me? Oh, Cumberland and Hoke. Alright, fuck Cumberland and Hoke. Can I even get Cumberland and Hoke? KX995, yes I can.
Thunderstorms.
Oh, come on, you piece of shit. Okay.
With a temperature. Eastern.
Alright, fuck me, I guess.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Nash County, North Central Harnett County, Wake County, Johnson County until 9:30 p.m. At 8:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Zebulon to near Garner to near Cary, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location impacted includes Raleigh, Cary, Garner, Fuquay, Marina, Clayton, Zebulon, Antier, Apex, Holly Springs, and Morrisville. This includes the following
Oh dear God, here we go.
Interstate 95 between mile markers 107 and 105. Interstate 40 between mile markers 287 and 317. Interstate 440 between mile markers 1 and 16. Interstate 500 between mile markers 15 and 24. United States 1 between mile markers 88 and 101. North Carolina Highway 264 between mile markers 20 and 25. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Harnett, Johnson, Nash, and Wake. The National Weather Service in
All we have is sugar flash. Oh, that's not. Until 12.
The radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rainfall in the area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking Raleigh! Raleigh! God damn it. Yep, there we go. SVR, we're about to have a doubleheader. Dude. Oh my fucking God. We're gonna have a doubleheader. Wait, North Carolina. Here we go, doubleheader. Here we go. Yep, doubleheader. Doubleheader.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wayne County, northeastern Harnett County, southern Wake County, southwestern Wilson Johnson County,
That is so
Johnston
unnecessary.
County, East Central Chatham County until 10 p.m. At 9:11 p.m., severe
thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near
miles out to Bailey to near Smithfield to
I
near
mean,
Hickory
this lighting
Arena,
is getting
moving southeast at 15 miles per hour.
ridiculous.
Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar
Okay,
indicated.
what the fuck are you doing?
Expect damage to roofs.
Do you want this to make this even more worse than it already is?
This include Raleigh, Cary, Goldsboro, Smithfield, Garner, Fuquay Ballerina, Clayton, Dunn, Angier, and Benson. This
Benson.
includes the following
Got there. Here we go.
Interstate 95
between mile markers
116 and 77.
Interstate 40 between mile markers 302 and 332. US 61 between mile markers 81 and 94. Jesus. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a goddamn fucking
Torrential rainfall is occurring
with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm.
Warning has been issued
Jesus.
until 10 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Harnett,
Goddamn.
Johnston, Wayne, and Wilson. This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards. Station WNG 706. Operating on frequency 100.
Yep. Not every day, Raleigh just randomly fucking gives you a double header. Oh my god. This lightning is actually ridiculous. Damn. Jeez. I think it's starting to rain. Or maybe that's hail. Damn. Fuck. Fucking curtain. Fucking bull. Fucking. Holy. Fucking. Oh my god. Raleigh, why? You're fucking stupid. Why are they doing the flood advisory cancellation first? Oh my god. You idiots! Bro. What
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash warning for.
is every radio just gonna be fucking stupid?
Thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain
What?
have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2
Are you
miles
fucking
across the
stupid?
warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Dude,
Source: radar.
is every radio gonna be fucking stupid?
Of small creeks and streams. Urban areas. Raleigh, Cary, Garner, Fuquay Ballerina, Clayton, Cleveland, Athens, Holly Springs, Morrisville, Knightdale,
Bro.
Wendell, Lake Benton, Lake Wheeler, William B.
Flash flood statement.
New York, Dallas Lake,
And Jesus Christ, this thunder. Oh my god. Vehicles. A flash flood.
warning has been issued until midnight Monday for the following counties: North Carolina, Johnston, and Wake. In the warned area, flooding. The National Weather Service, William B. Jumpstead State Park. Flowers. The Mid, Harris Lake Boat Launch, Sharon Harris Reservoir, and Jordan Lake. Holly Springs, Morris.
Bro.
Is transmitted from
Unrecognized warning and flash flood statement. Who's the next fucking stupid ass radio? Raleigh? Don't fucking tell me. 'Cause I swear to God, if you just did what I think. Okay. Alarm. Oh my fucking God. Why? Why? Oh, guys.
the National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County, Logan County, Northeastern Cumberland County, Northeastern
I thought that thing actually fucking went off.
County, Southwestern Wilson County, Southeastern Shannon
Guess you were just
County,
like,
10:30 p.m.
yeah.
At 9:43 p.m. Severe thunderstorm.
Oh, you're not supposed to see that. Those are totally not Hurricane Erica leaks.
Moving south at 15 miles
Bro,
per hour.
they still found a way to put me in it. What the fuck? Why am I in it? This is bullshit.
Texas include Goldsboro, Smithfield, Mount Holly, Millington, Fuquay, Alina, Dunn, Angier, Benson, Fremont, and Wanda Creek. This includes the following highways: Interstate 95 between mile markers 107 and 58. Interstate 40 between mile markers 313 and 395. United States 1 between mile. United States 1 between mile.
Oh my God. It's just fucking.
Moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Cumberland,
We're gonna need a new flash flood warning.
Wayne, and Wilson.
Are you fucking kidding? Dude,
Here is a special message.
bro, did I just fucking predict that? Dude, I predicted that. Bro. Bro, you could have totally gone the double header. Oh my God, stop being so step. Jesus. Bro, I literally said, we're gonna need a new flash flood. We're gonna need a flash flood. And it fucking got issued. So why am I in it, huh? Decided to put me in the fucking SVR. Bro. This is such a bullshit night.
Warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Monday for the following counties in North Carolina: Johnston, Wayne, and Wilson.
Ooh, yikes. No bueno.
A 51-point rain was reported at the Raleigh-Durham Airport. Highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as
This is bullshit.
Cumberland,
We're gonna need a new flash flood warning.
Wayne, and Wilson.
Are you fucking kidding? Dude.
Here is a special
Bro. Okay, y'all. Okay. So, yeah. 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 And, yeah. 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 That, I just know that Raleigh's not gonna issue a tour because they would never. But like, this was that same area of rotation a few minutes ago. So yeah, is it weakening? I can't really tell. I'm gonna switch to radar scope. Fuck off. I don't want to download damn software update. Don't shut the fuck up. Oh shit, I want to leak my location. If I go to philosophy, and I swear to God, okay, there we go. So yeah, now obviously, see how this thing's kind of like forming a hook. Raleigh actually issues a tour. What the fuck? That isn't what I think it is. Hang on, is that flash flood warning for Wilson? It is for Wilson. Terrific. I think like the last time Wilson was under a flash flood warning was like a year ago. So yeah, let's just see if Raleigh does in fact issue a tornado warning, which he probably won't. Dude, Raleigh, you were just fucking throwing out. Okay, bro, dude, I'm gonna fucking. Oh, okay. You get a flash flood warning, dude. You get a flash flood warning. You get a flash flood warning. You get a flash flood warning, and you get a flash flood warning. So, yeah, quick update about that rotation. I don't think it's rotation, to be honest. I don't even know, like, come on, bro. Don't drown with the Catherine flooded roads. A flash flood warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Monday for the following counties in North Carolina. What just happened? Wink and Wayne. This is just ridiculous.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County, Northern Sampson County, Harnett County,
of course, they're all spread out in directions.
Southwestern Wake County,
Southwestern Newport, you got something on your hands.
Until 10:30 p.m. At 9:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 6 miles east of Smithfield to 10 miles east of Bensington near Rillington.
Yeah, these flash flood warnings are kind of necessary.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Goldsboro, Smithfield, Rillington, Fuquay Arena,
I mean, this is just Attack of the Floods at this point now. Absolutely ridiculous.
Vehicle through county roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Cumberland, Harnett, Johnson, Sampson, and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Raleigh.
Oh my God, Raleigh!
Warning for northeastern Cumberland County, southeastern Harnett County, southeastern Johnston County, northern Sampson County, Wayne County, until 1:45 a.m. At 10:43 p.m.
We are indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing but expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, those other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Goldsboro, Mount Olive, Lillington, Dunn, Walnut Creek, Godwin, Kerwin, Milton Grove, Falcon, Linden, Devon Springs, Hobson, Stevie's Corner, Mark Mack, Milton, Hillary, inclusive of New State Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Those flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flood warning has been issued. Okay, we also have 2 considerable FFWs, and one is for Wilson County. So, shucks. Shucks indeed.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County, Sampson County, Central Harnett County, northeastern Cumberland County, southern Johnston County, until 11:15 p.m.
This is real fun. If we get a flash flood emergency, I will... Stanley County for 12:15 a.m. Where is Stanley County? You're overreacting, bub. You're overreacting. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Okay.
In central Wayne counties, emergency management reported that numerous roads in downtown Smithfield have 3 to 4 feet of water.
Oh!
Additionally, water has entered into residences in Smithfield.
Yo!
3 and 5 inches of
Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my fucking God. Dude. Oh my God. That is like one of the scariest worries I've ever heard. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude, this is fucking ridiculous. Raleigh just unleashed fucking hell. Okay, we're definitely having double headers. Yeah, So we have an SVR and a flash flood warning. Why, Raleigh? Why? Just why? Impact. You know what? You don't need to go off.
Locations and taskets include Goldsboro.
So now there's a guaranteed alert. I'm making you go off. Hey, park.
This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 337 and 359.
This is just ridiculous.
Carry a room on the lowest floor of the
Building.
torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms.
It may lead to flash flooding.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Okay, it's 400.
Storm warning has been issued until midnight Monday for the following counties
Flash
in North
flood.
Carolina,
In Smithfield.
Sampson, and Wayne.
Alright, here we go. Double header. Oh my god, you're so staticky. We're indicating thunderstorms. 2:50. God damn it. Rain had fallen. Some rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar.
This is just ridiculous.
Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Stanford, Broadway, Montour.
Another doubleheader. This is Raleigh's second doubleheader tonight, bro. We're encountering flooded rooms. Current vehicles. Warning has been issued until 2:15 a.m. Monday for the following counties: North Carolina, Chatham, Harnett, and Lee.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in.
Alright, we've got an extension.
The National Weather Service
Raleigh has extended the flash flood warning for
Southern Wake County until 1:30 a.m. At 11:35 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways.
So that would be
as well as other poor
this
drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will
Its
experience
flash flooding include Raleigh, Cary, Garner, Fuquay Varina, Clayton, Zebulon, Apex, Holly Springs, Knightdale, Wendell, Lake Benson, Lake Wheeler, Flowers, Emid, New Hill, Harris Lake Boat Launch, Sharon Harris Reservoir. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning has been extended until 1:30 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Johnston and Wake. And Smithfield's getting a couple random ass.
4.5 megahertz.
Smithfield's getting like a couple of random ass bands of heavy rain, potentially catastrophic. Oh, say, can you see? Oh. Okay, both of them got extended.
Northeastern Wayne County, southwestern Wilson County.
Okay.
At 11:56 p.m., local law enforcement reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain in Smithfield.
Alright.
Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing.
It's all going.
Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source.
Wait on. Oh. Fuck. Did this one get updated? Nope. Two, goddamn. Fuck it, I guess I'm staying up late. Oh, fuck. Another extension. Let's see what this one has to say. Fuck you, truck alert. This thing in the fire is fun running for. Fucking truck alert. Oh my. In Smithfield.
Between 2 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, emergency management reported. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Goldsboro, Smithfield, Lillington, Dunn, Angier, Benson, Irwin, Coates, Four Oaks, Coates Crossroads, Bowie's Creek, Duncan, Raven Rock State Park, Sharon Harris Reservoir, and Seminole. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, the flash flood warning has been extended until 2:30 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Harnett, Johnston, Wake, and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has extended the flash flood warning for northern Johnston County, southern Wake County until 1.
Okay. So. Is that fucking... That's Newport's problem, not ours. So I think I'm like 99% sure it's this one. Yep. Is there actually more rain forecasted? Maybe. Now, I don't know what the fuck this storm is doing here, but I mean, if it decides to just go fuck Wilson or fuck Smithfield, then Smithfield will be fucked. But right now, it looks like the rain is letting up. However, we do have more rain bands. Seriously, what the fuck is this storm doing? FFW extension, and it's not an FFE. Shut up. I hate you, you're so annoying.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has extended the flash flood warning for northeastern Cumberland County, southeastern Harnett County, southeastern Johnston County, northern Sampson County, Wayne County until 2:45 a.m. At 1:02 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Goldsboro, Mount Olive, Lillington, Dunn, Walnut Creek, Godwin, Irwin, Newton Grove, Falcon, Linden, Seven Springs, Hudson, Grantham, Spivey's Corner, March Mac, Brogden, Elroy, and Cliffs of the New State Park. turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, the flash flood warning has been extended until 2:45 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Cumberland, Harnett, Johnston, Sampson, and Wayne. This is NOAA weather.
Just gotta get a thumbnail shot.